To place a ticket, first make sure you're logged into the system. Click Submit a Ticket on the home page. Choose from Data Analytics and Decision Support, Information Technology, Integrated Marketing and Communication, and Facilities Management. These are easy buttons that help your ticket reach the right department. Say your laptop isn't working properly. In that case, you would choose Information Technology. Then, Devices. And Laptop. When you reach the blue buttons for Issue and Request, you're ready to put in your ticket. Submit a request if a new product or service is needed. Submit an issue when something isn't functioning as intended. In this example, your laptop is broken, so choose Laptop Issue. This will pull up the issue form. Form fields will vary based on your issue or request, and may update as needed to collect additional relevant information. The asterisks indicate required fields. For more information, click the question mark icon next to the field. In the subject line, explain the nature of the ticket in 3 to 5 words. Then describe the nature of the ticket in detail, keeping in mind the 5 W's. Who, what, when, where, and why to describe your experience. List any troubleshooting steps you've tried, like restarting your computer. Attach relevant files, such as error screenshots when possible. Click the checkbox below if you want secondary contacts to be notified of the ticket. For tickets that require an asset tag, enter the number from the orange or blue tag on the device. Please complete all questions on the form to the best of your ability to ensure that the ticket is resolved quickly. In Requester Information, fill out information like your account or department. Some information will autofill since you are logged into the system. When the form is complete, click Submit. Let's try another example. To initiate a new employee setup, click Submit a Ticket. Select Information Technology. Then Employee. Add, remove, change. Click Set up New Employee. And set up New Employee Request. Complete every field to ensure speedy resolution. Then click Submit. For our last example, let's practice putting in a ticket to request a shared mailbox. Click Submit a Ticket. Information Technology. Then Accounts and Access. Choose Shared Mailbox. Then Shared Mailbox Request. Complete all fields to the best of your ability. Then click Submit. After you place a ticket, you will receive an email from the system. To update the ticket, click Reply and type your message above the line, or click on View Ticket to leave a comment directly on the ticket. You'll learn more about this in the View and Update a Ticket video.